everyone, welcome back. So if you watched any of my other last video, 2 videos ago I think, I said, I've mentioned in other videos as well, that I wouldn't be going back on the ice until I got a GoPro, for reasons I don't want to break my expensive fancy camera. But that is resolved. Today I got the GoPro from Costco. It's the Hero 5 Black. I don't know a whole lot about GoPros. It came down to this or the GoPro 6, and this one won because of the price. I got it for $250 at Costco. Honestly, I might even pick up a second at some point for that price. I mean, that's unbelievable. So I figured we'd kind of quickly open it up, take a quick look at it. Pull that off. Let's open her up here, maybe. I don't want to wreck the box in case I have to take it back. But I don't know what this is all about. Do I pull? Oh dear. Well, I kind of already wrecked the box, didn't I? Well, there goes that idea. Okay, box officially destroyed. I wish I would have made that a little easier. Let's open this up. All the fun little instructions. Battery, charging cables, little mount stand thingy, and I don't know how to get it off this thing. Remove. Okay, so there it is, the future of my channel. Back to on ice videos here hopefully pretty soon. Like I said, desperately trying to get back into somewhat of a game shape, so maybe I'll do some training vlogs, off ice training videos as well. I don't really know, but very excited to have this, and very much looking forward to getting back on ice. Like I said, just a real quick video here, guys, giving you a quick little update. So look for hopefully on ice videos coming up in the next month or so, hopefully. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you again. Take care. Bye.